Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, That Small Town Girl. Hope you all are doing really well. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face primer and DIY BB cream. So as you know, face primers can be really expensive. So that is why I thought that I will try to make a face primer, and it's not that this is the first time I'm making it. No, I have made using so many type of ingredients, but that didn't work, and this is the one that worked really well. Very well it worked. And also for BB cream, I'd like to say that there's so many kind of BB creams in the market, but you won't find your shade. Most of us don't used to find our shades in the BB cream. So that is why I thought that let us make our own BB creams which will suit us perfectly, and that is why I thought of doing this DIY kind of project. Hope you all will like it, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I post a new video, you remain notified. So now, without talking much, let's get into the video. For making a face primer, first of all, we will need an empty container to store the primer. Then we'll need aloe vera gel. You can use any good quality aloe vera gel without chemicals. Then we'll need rose water. Then after that, we will need glycerin. Glycerin is also easily available in the market. So first of all, we will take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel, basically it makes a kind of barrier between our skin and the foundation to be applied on our skin. That is why we will use aloe vera gel in our primer. So aloe vera gel, it also works as a very good moisturizer for oily skin people. So we have taken 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. After that, we will take half teaspoon of glycerin. So glycerin actually, it makes your foundation stick to your face. It makes it long lasting as well. So we have taken here half teaspoon of glycerin. After that, we will add half teaspoon of Dabur Gulabari or rose water. So rose water is a very good toner. It maintains the pH balance of your skin. That is why we are adding it. We can also add sunscreen in our primer, but I am not adding it. So now we need to mix it really well. You need to mix it very well so that all the components, they get mixed with each other, and our face primer will be ready. So you can see the consistency is thickening. So our face primer is ready. Now I'll apply it and show it to you. I'll apply it first on my hands. You see, it is very lightweight. You'll not even feel something is on your face. It's very lightweight. For making a BB cream, we will require a moisturizer. I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel, then a foundation, then a compact powder or loose powder, then a sunscreen, then I'm using my DIY face primer. If you don't like the DIY face primer, you can use your own primer. So first of all, we will take 2 teaspoons of moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, whichever you use. I have oily skin, that's why I'm using the gel based moisturizer. After this, we will take foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation. Always use a foundation which exactly matches your shade or which is one shade darker. Don't use light foundation. I'm using here very small amount of foundation. As you can see, it will be like half a teaspoon of foundation. Don't use too much. We will mix them really well. Then next up, I'm using here Lakme Rose Powder. Because I have oily skin, that's why I'm using loose powder. If you have dry skin, you should use compact powder. Scrap some of it and use it. So here I am using almost half a teaspoon of compact powder or loose powder. Then we will use sunscreen. Here I am using the Neutrogena sunscreen, which is really good for oily skin. I am using half a teaspoon of sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen of your choice. After that, I'll be using the DIY primer that I made. You can use any primer of your choice. You can also make this primer and use it. It is also very, very good. So I have taken here half a teaspoon of face primer. Now we will mix all the ingredients really, really well to get a moussey kind of texture. You can see it will be a moussey kind of texture, and you can store this BB cream for 2 months and use it. So you make in small batches and store it, and try to store it in a cool place or in the refrigerator. It will stay for a very, very long time. You can use it for 2 months. You can use it. I'm taking a very small amount. I'm making a very small amount so that I can use it for a month or 2. Always make in small batches. You can see it matches my skin very, very well. I'll also apply on my face and show it to you. I'm using here a medium coverage foundation, so I'm not getting too much of coverage. So use a foundation of your choice, whichever kind you like. You can use a sheer coverage foundation, or you can use a medium one or a full coverage one. So yeah, that's it. Very easy.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your.
So that is how I make my own face primer and DIY BB cream. So why do we actually need a face primer? So those of you who don't know, they should know that before applying your foundation, you always should use a face primer, because it creates a barrier between your skin and the foundation that you are going to apply. So the foundation has chemicals, and you don't want that chemicals to enter your pores and damage your skin. So that is why we should always use a primer before putting on our makeup. And secondly, it will also make your foundation stick to your face, and it will make your foundation, and thirdly, it will make your foundation very, very long lasting. So that is why we need to use a primer before applying our foundation. Now BB cream, why actually do we need to put BB cream instead of foundation? So foundation, we don't use foundation on a daily basis, and we should not use. So that is why if you want some kind of coverage on your skin daily for your daily wear, we should always use a BB cream instead of a foundation, because the foundation might damage our skin, but the BB cream has sunscreen, it has moisturizer, it has foundation, it has your compact powder or your loose powder also, and your primer as well. So that is why you should use a BB cream instead of foundation. And BB cream means beauty benefit cream, so it gives some kind of benefit to your skin. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.